My dear friends, and my dear masters, and my dear gods. We are here to celebrate our great success in Bengaluru Mahanagara. That's why we are all here. We have done so much work. మనం ఎంతో కష్టపడి ఎంతో ధ్యానం చేశాము. నాకు కన్నడ రాదు, నేను ఏం చేయను. But we are very happy, Guruji Krishnananda ji, on the occasion of our successful 10 years work. When the first time I came to Bengaluru city, it was in the year 98. Then Mr. Shivaramappa was the first master of meditation. Give a big clap to Shivaramappa ji. When I came to Bengaluru in the year 98, he was our first master. Then our Narasimha Rao was there, 2 masters were there, but now the whole Bengaluru is full of meditation. Guruji Krishnananda ji is such a great yogi, such a great rishi, and we have heard everything about his guru, that is Rishi Amara, who is the direct contactee of the Sapta Rishis. We have read such great books about Rishi Amara. All the Pyramid Spiritual Society movement pays homage to Rishi Amara, and he is the great master Guruji Krishnananda ji. We have learned so much from the books of Guruji Krishnananda ji, the doorways to light, etc. On this occasion, we pay our great homage to Rishi Amara. And my dear friends, Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement wants to learn everything from every master. That is the goal. Understand? So, all the masters of the world, they are our best friends. We learn from them. If you understand the energy of the soul and power of the soul, Atma Shakti తెలుసుకుంటే అన్ని సంభవము. Atma Shakti తెలుసుకోవాలంటే ఆత్మ యొక్క శాస్త్రం చదవాలి. We have to study the soul science, and the way to study the soul science is through meditation. So we are very happy, my dear friends. Today I would like to say that after 10-12 years of great work by all these great masters of Pyramid Spiritual Society movement, we have created a very big meditation movement in the great city of Bengaluru, and coupled with the great pyramid there, it is the capital of meditation in the whole world now. Bangalore is the capital of meditation in the whole world. So the whole world is going to come to us, and Dr. Z. Gangsha and all his mates were so very happy to visit the pyramid, and we want him to come back again and 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 again again and again and again and again and again and heal all of India. Let us do 10 minutes meditation, and then we will call a day. And my dear friend, just close your eyes and observe the breathing. I will play the flute and we will do meditation. 10 minutes only, then we will say a hearty goodbye to Dhyana Bengaluru. Please close your eyes. ಶ್ವಾಸ ಮೀರ ಧ್ಯಾಸ, ಕಣ್ಣು ಎರಡು ಮುಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೈಗಾಲೆರಡು ಜೋಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಶ್ವಾಸ ಜೊತೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮಿತ್ರರೇ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ದೇವರು. We are all gods. We have to do great meditation. If Sapta Rishis have done great meditation, how about us? Why can't we be a Sapta Rishi? And 8th Rishi, 9th Rishi, 10th Rishi? Close your eyes and observe the breathing. Remove the specs, both hands put together. Close your eyes and observe the breathing. I will play the flute, my dear friends. Final 10 minutes of this great day for all the Pyramid Masters of Bengaluru city. We have successfully completed Dhyana Bengaluru. The whole of Karnataka we will go and teach meditation. The whole of India we will go and teach meditation. All the nooks and corners of the world we will go and teach meditation. It is our great joy to teach meditation. Meditation is the only answer for all the questions. Meditation is so very easy. Meditation is the most wonderful thing. Right from your childhood, you must do meditation. Dhyana madalebeku, dhyana unde madabeku, dhyana dinda gnana, gnana dinda mukti, dhyana unde ಚಿಂತೆಯನ್ನು ಮುರಿದು ಶ್ವಾಸದ್ಯಾಸ ಹಿಡಿಯುವ ಬಾ ಧ್ಯಾನವೇ ಮಾಡುವ ಬಾ ಕಣ್ಣು ಎರಡು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಚಿಂತೆಯನ್ನು ಮುರಿದು ಶ್ವಾಸದ್ಯಾಸ ಹಿಡಿಯುವ ಬಾ ಧ್ಯಾನವೇ ಮಾಡುವ ಬಾ ಶ್ವಾಸವೇ ಸದ್ಗುರು ಶ್ವಾಸವೇ ಮಾರ್ಗವು ಶ್ವಾಸವೇ ಪ್ರಾಣವು ಶ್ವಾಸವೇ ಜೀವವು ಜೀವವು ಶ್ವಾಸನೇ ಕೂಡುವ ಬಾ ಧ್ಯಾನವಾ ಮಾಡುವ ಬಾ ಶ್ವಾಸವೇ ಸದ್ಗುರು ಶ್ವಾಸವೇ ಮಾರ್ಗವು ಶ್ವಾಸವೇ ಪ್ರಾಣವು ಶ್ವಾಸವೇ ಮಾರ್ಗವು ಮಾರ್ಗವು ಶ್ವಾಸನೇ ಕೂಡುವ ಬಾ ಧ್ಯಾನವಾ ಮಾಡುವ ಬಾ ಆತ್ಮವೇ ನಿತ್ಯವು ಆತ್ಮವೇ ಸತ್ಯವು ಆತ್ಮವೇ ನಾವು ನಮಗೆ ಜಯವೋ ಜಯವೋ ಜಯವನ್ನೇ ಕೋರೋಣ ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ. We are not bones and muscles, we are not heart and kidneys, we are not atoms and electrons whatsoever, my dear friends. We are pure consciousness, we are pure gods. Why we are worried about the physical body, which we are not? Atmave nityavu, Atmave satyavu, Atmave navu, Namage jayavu, jayavu, jayavanne korona. We should never identify ourselves with our physical body. That's the first mistake. We are not kidneys and kidney stones. We are not heart and ventricles and auricles. We are not neurons and electrons. No, 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 no. We are pure consciousness. Staying put in that consciousness is called as meditation. That is called as wisdom. That is called as enlightenment. Who cares for the physical body? That comes and goes. We are not that. Pyramid masters don't identify themselves with the physical body whatsoever. Whatever happens to the physical body, it is of no matter whatsoever. We are here to do meditation and to activate our third eye. That is our goal. And we have to become a Rishi. That is our goal. Not to worry about small things like BP and cancer. Our big things are there, we have to worry about our third eye and we have to become a Rishi. When you don't identify yourself with the physical body heals itself. Samaya sadhane sahane pragati anubhavave jnanavu jnanavu jnanavanne korona dhyanavamme ಚಿತ್ತವೃತ್ತಿಯ ಶಾಂತಿ ಅದುವೇ ಧ್ಯಾನವು. ಚಿತ್ತವೃತ್ತಿಯ ಶಾಂತಿ ಅದುವೇ ಧ್ಯಾನವು. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವೈದ್ಯನ ಮರೆತು ಔಷಧಿ ದೊರೆದು ಆತ್ಮಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಕೂಡಿದ ಪ್ರಾಣಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಕೂಡಿದ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಕೂಡಿದ ತುಮೆ ವೈದ್ಯವು ಸ್ವಸ್ಥವನ್ನೇ ಹೊಂದೋಣ. ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮಾಂಸಾಹಾರವೇ. All the root cause of disease is eating meat. 90% of the humanity is eating meat. They have to start that. Until they do that, the diseases keep on recurring. That is the source of all the problems. You have to remove the source of the problem. You have to become a vegetarian. ಮಾಂಸಾಹಾರವೇ ಪಾಪಾಹಾರವು. ಶಾಕಾಹಾರವೇ ಶುದ್ಧಾಹಾರವು. ಮಾಂಸವನ್ನೇ ತ್ಯಜಿಸೋಣ. ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಪಾಪವೇ ರೋಗವು, ಪುಣ್ಯವೇ ಭೋಗವು. ಧ್ಯಾನವೇ ಧರ್ಮವು, ಜ್ಞಾನವೇ ಮೋಕ್ಷವು. ಮೋಕ್ಷವು ಮೋಕ್ಷವನ್ನೇ ಕೋರೋಣ. ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಧ್ಯಾನವ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ಸತ್ಯವ ತಿಳಿಯುತ್ತ ಸ್ವಸ್ಥತೆ ಹೊಂದುತ್ತ ಅದುವೇ ವರವು. ವರವು ವರವನ್ನೇ ಕೋರೋಣ. ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Final 3 minutes. Don't open your eyes, my dear friends. Become one with your breath. Meditation is the only answer for all the problems. The source of the problems is eating meat. So you have to stop eating meat and you have to do meditation. Only 2 things. Meditation right from your childhood, not when you are about to die and when you are old. Right from your childhood you must do meditation. What a great thing meditation is. Final 3 minutes of meditation. The objective of the Dhyana Prachara Trust, Karnataka Dhyana Prachara Pyramid Trust, is to teach every person meditation. Everybody should become a rishi. Every person in Bengaluru city, in Karnataka, should become a rishi. For that, everybody should do deep meditation. For that, the breath is there. You have to become one with the breath. 2 minutes. Establish emptiness in the mind. You should be such an adept in meditation that in a moment's time you must establish emptiness in the mind. Lord Shiva is always doing meditation. What about us? Are we not like Lord Shiva? Lord Buddha taught meditation 2500 years back. What are we doing? Have we become like Lord Buddha? Why have we not become like Lord Buddha? How many people more should come and teach you meditation? One person is not enough. One Buddha is not enough. No doctor, no medicine. Remember, you heal yourself. Only you can help yourself. Uddharet atmanatmanam, atmanam avasadet, atmaivi atmano bandhu, atmaiva ripuratmana. Has the Bhagavad Gita not said? Only you can help yourself. You have to help yourself only through meditation. Teach meditation, spread meditation, speak meditation, drink meditation, dream meditation, sleep meditation, only meditation. If you open your mouth, only one word should come out of it. That is called as meditation. Our Bengaluru will be the capital of meditation for the whole of the world. All the world will come here and learn the science of meditation. Final 30 seconds. Place your hands on your eyes for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Slowly you may open your eyes, remove your hands. Thank you very much. Give a big clap to the Karnataka Dhyana Prachara Trust, Pyramid Dhyana Prachara Trust, and all the masters of Bengaluru city, all the Pyramid masters who have made a huge contribution to make this Bengaluru a Dhyana Bengaluru. Big clap for all the great masters here who have graced this great occasion, who have encouraged us, who have blessed us. Thank you, thank you, thank you.